How to tell if blocked on POF. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video, I'll simply give you a couple of ways on how you can figure out if someone has blocked you on Plenty of Fish. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you were normally talking to a person, all of a sudden you can send a message, and how do you figure out if you've been blocked? Well, there are a couple of ways, and I'll show you one of the most 100% working solution to figure out whether someone has blocked you or not. All you have to do is open the Plenty of Fish dating app, right? And then make sure that you're actually signed into your account. So let's say you were talking to someone on your DMs page, and then when you go to conversation and now when you try to message them, you're not being able to send it. The first way to figure it out is that just try to message them, and when you try to send a message, you'll see a notification pop up that says that the user has actually blocked you. So if you're being able to send them a message, that's perfectly fine, but if not, it basically means that you will not be able to send them a message. Even if you try to send them or say hi over here, it will basically tell you that the user has actually blocked you. So this is simply how you can figure out if someone has blocked you on Plenty of Fish. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.